The main objective of our institution contributing to the project is to work on marine forests, especially on one of the main structural components, which are the gorgonians. So during the first period of the project, we have been working on the natural populations and on characterizing the habitat, the thermal regime, and on all the other story components of that system that will help us to find the appropriate place to start restoration and that this restoration succeeds. Then, in this framework, we have been working with the thermotolerance so that we realize whether they are going to succeed in terms of the thermal regime in this new restoration area. And this we have been very successful with this aspect. Now the second issue is that what we are going to see in terms of how the population restored with both should more or less be similar or at least get close to what are the natural demographic parameters in the natural population, which is what we have started and we are monitoring in work package 4 in order to be sure that the restoration forest is a succeed. These are our main topics and contribution to the Ocean Citizen Project.